ओ ओ ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधौतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम सदाशिवसमारंभां शंकराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ओम श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पाद शंकरं लोकशंकरं शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। पुरुषोत्तम योग 15th chapter. Bhagwan explained very nicely samsara vriksha in order to generate vairagya in our bosom. That is the whole purpose behind explaining samsara vriksha. And after that Bhagwan explained again some roots of this samsara vriksha, like avidya, vasana, ahanta, mamata. These are the roots. They will again germinate. They will again sprout if we don't pay more attention. Adascha mulanyanu and they all are deep rooted. This is the biggest problem. Samsara is not actual problem. They are deep rooted in our heart. So same portion is coming. So whatever samsara vriksha Bhagwan has explained in Shastra, whichever way it is explained, Bhagwan is telling if you see it closely, this samsara vriksha is not as it is explained. Shloka number 3, the last time we saw. I will just show you Anvaya and this. Okay, Shloka is न रूपमस्येह तथोपलभ्यते नान्तो न चादिर्न च सम्प्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थमेनं सुविरूढमूलम् असंगशस्त्रेण दृढेण चित्वा. Whatever samsara vriksha is so far explained, it is not as it is explained. Okay. First, vigraha. Vigraha means breaking all words at appropriate juncture. Like na rupam asya. If you see above, masseha. Masseha doesn't have any meaning, and it sandhi has happened there. So na rupam asya iha tathopalabhyate. Tatha upalabhyate. If you can do this with the help of Sanskrit rules, few rules are there. If you can do this whole Gita, you will understand. Okay, no need to go deeper and deeper in Sanskrit, but some basic rules, Sandhi rules, they will help you. तथा न तथा उपलभ्यते न अंतः नान्तो न अंतः न चादिर न च आदिहि विसर्ग became र. This is rule. च संप्रतिष्ठा अश्वत्थम एनम. Sandhi has happened. When consonant follows any vowels, then they will mix with each other. Enam. Suvirudha moolam. Same one word. Asanga shastrena. Say vigraha we do. Masanga means what? Masanga has no meaning. So ma you separate, asanga you separate. Asanga shastrena drudhena chitva. This is the vigraha. Now vigraha is not enough. You have to do anvaya. You have to rearrange all words. Yeah. How to rearrange? तथा अस्य रूपम इह न उपलभ्यते. तथा means the way it is explained. Asya samsara vrukshasya रूपम, the structure, format, whatever way it is explained, iha, in this world, na upalabhyate. It is not seen. Okay, it is not the way it is explained. Okay, we perceive this world in totally opposite way. अस्य संसार वृक्षस्य अंतः आदिः च न संप्रतिष्ठा च न उपलभ्यते. Actually in shloka it is once upalabhyate, but to complete sentence we have to take earlier verb again. Okay. Suvirudha moolam enam ashwatham drudena asanga shastrena chitva. Having cut asunder this drudha moolam. Drudha means stout, okay, robust moolam, and we have to cut asunder that. You know, if one stick is there, easily we can break it. If many sticks are there, it is very difficult to break. So suvirudha means it is actually well expanded and deep rooted. You see, whichever idea about yourself, it is deep rooted. Our Swamiji gives example. If like 10 people are sleeping, okay, all are in deep sleep, deep sleep, and somebody comes and calls me, hey Vasant, out of 10 people, only one person, whoever is Vasant, he will get up. He will get up. This is what? Deep rooted. Suvirudha. Okay. Well expanded, deep rooted. Samsara is actually very well deep rooted. If somebody comes and tells us, you are not body, at any cost, we will not agree with him. At any cost. You know, he will give 10 different reasons, rational and logical reasons. Still will say, it appears logical, it is just mental gymnastic, you will say. Actually, this happens. Okay, when we prove scientifically, when we prove logically, you are not body, we are not ready to accept it. Somebody comes and says, this is like Swapna, Marichi, Udaka, Maya, Gandharva, Nagarvat, Samatvat. It is like Swapna, dream. No. It is not possible. Dream is different, world is different. You see, this is called Suvirudha Moolam. Yeah. And some great Mahatmas, okay, they will accept if Guru says this world is like dream. They will say, yes, it is like dream. So their vasanas, their satyatva buddhi in samsara is actually weakened. And then they go to Guru. So Vairagya will do what? This Vairagya will weaken all our asakti towards this world. One day we only will tell it is mithya. Okay, so let us see shloka. Half bhashya we have seen. Now rest bhashya we will see. Very nice and important topic. Yeah, I will read first whatever half we have seen. After that, we'll go ahead. So before this, it is said that this samsara vruksha is, you know, it will one day it is going to perish. Then why to do sadhana and all? On its own it will go away. Bhagavan says no. Asanga shastrena drudena chitva. You have to use a very nice weapon to cut this. Aged, fully sharp weapon you have to use. Drudhena chitva. Then only you will be able to break the shackles. Otherwise you can't. That is why emphasis is given on asanga shastrena. Let us see. I will read. You see example. Whatever swapna we see, that dream is not as we see it. The way we have perceived that dream is not like that. Like you are sleeping and you see world and sun is there in your dream. sun, sun. But actually it is not. You see how beautiful examples are given. Many commentators, they will say, why always Shankaracharya ji gives this example? Because shloka is like that. Whatever you see, it is not as you perceive it. So what are the appropriate examples? So this snake and rope only. Rope, snake you perceive, but actually it is snake you perceive, but actually it is rope. In Viveka Chudamani, the other way it is given. You see rope and it is snake. And this also can happen. So you see examples also. What are examples? Mirage water. As we see, it is not like that. We can't, Dhaneshwar Maharaj say even a mosquito's thirst also it cannot quench that mirage water. So as you see it, it is not like that. Okay. From here I will read. So this yellow part, it is shloka words. Na rupam asyeha. Yatha upavarnitam. Upa means close. I have told last time. Yatha upavarnitam. Tatha. Yatha means as. Tatha so. Na eva upalabhyate. Naiva means na eva upalabhyate. Examples. Swapna marichi udaka. Marichudaka means marichi udaka. Maya gandharva nagara samatvat. All these examples and samsara vruksha, they are same. They are on equal par. The way swapna is, whatever samugri, whatever auxiliary means are required to generate one swapna, same auxiliary means or proper means are required to generate this world. Yeah. One adhishthana and Brahma on that is required. Yeah. So Maya Gandharva Nagarava means a celestial city in cloud, in sky. Samatvat. How this world is drushta, it is seen. Shankaracharya ji never denies that mithya vastu will be asat, like totally non-existent. Mithya vastu, you will perceive it. It will give you sorrows and joys also. Many people say, if this world is not there, if this is mithya, then how this thing can give me sorrow? A mithya movie can make you cry. So mithya world can make you cry and joys would be there. So drushta, it is seen, nashta swarupa. And next moment it is not the way it was. Drushta nashta swarupa. You see power, the potential behind the words. Very heavy words. Drushta, dushta, drushta, nashta swarupa hi saha samsara vrukshah iti atah eva. न अंतः न पर्यंतः निष्ठा परिसमाप्ति वा समाप्तिः वा विद्यते. Nobody can measure or nobody can predict the end of this world. Okay, whole world we are talking, whole Brahmanda, not only one Prithvi. Okay, this whole Brahmanda, we don't know when this will end. Yeah. Nishtha here means not jnana nishtha. Nitaram tishtati, we can say, like always it is there. Nobody can say that. Nobody can gwag that. nanto na paryantah means end is not seen. Yeah. Tatha, then somebody will say, you consider this world as first world. Let us start from here. If we don't know how many worlds they have been there, or already worlds were there, if we don't know, let us consider this world as first world. Bhagavan says, Nacha Adihi. Adihi also not known. You can't say, Itah Arabhya Ayam Pravruttah. From here, this world started. From here, this world emerged from that Brahman. Nobody can say, Kenachit na gamyate. Yeah. न च संप्रतिष्ठा स्थितिः मध्यम अस्य न केनचित उपलभ्यते. Now also, what is the substratum of this whole world? Shastra samskara rahit purusha cannot tell this. Those who don't have Shastra samskara, they cannot tell right now where this world is dwelling, where this world is residing, what is the substratum of this world. Forget this world. What is the substratum of this body, this hand, this book? What is this substratum? Only Shankaracharya ji can tell, only Shastra can tell. Sat is the substratum of this whole world. Sadeva Saumya Idamagra Asit, and now also Sat is the substratum. If you take this substratum away, this book will cease to exist. Very simple. Always we give example. If you take clay away out of that pot will cease to exist. So this is the substratum. Sat is the substratum. If you study Kena Upanishad, you will find there. This point is very nicely, given. Like this, Sat is the substratum. Whatever, just in one line, whatever things and qualities are there in cause, same qualities and same things will come in effect. Right? Whatever qualities are there in cause, same qualities will come in effect also. So I say now, this I am, this hands are, book is, everywhere you see is, isness. Means isness was there, that same isness came in all these things. This is actually wrong statement. In Sat, all things are appearing. In all things, Sat entered. It is not like that. In all things, Paramatma entered. God is there in all things. This is actually a good sentence to hear, but all things are in God. God is not there in all things. Means it is, see, when we touch the ultimate, we can't convey in words. So it is inside, outside. This is also a wrong statement. That is why Shankaracharya ji says, shut up. Gurudev also says, shut up and go. Means shut up, detach from this world and don't say anything now. Think on yourself. So it is sthiti also, how this world is going on. Ishvara also nobody can understand properly. Naneshwar Maharaj says, child will never understand how the mother is and what all things mother does for her child. Mother will never understand. That is why he runs after chocolate. We will not understand Ishvara, Hiranyagarbha, and then Ishvara concept comes. We say, I'm done here, not going ahead. To understand all this, continuous Shravanam only is the madhyam. Okay, chalo, no more. Ashwatham enam yatha uktam suvirudha moolam. Suvirudha moolam is explaining. Sushtuhu virudhani viroham gatani. Sushtuhu virudhani, very well expanded. Virudham. Viroham gatani, very well, deep rooted, I say. Sadrudhani mulani yasya tam enam suvirudha moolam. To this suviruda, well expanded, deep rooted vruksham, asanga shastrena, with the help of asanga shastra. What is the weapon here? Axe. And which is that axe? It is vairagya. Asanga means vairagya. Okay. Asanga means detachment. Sanga means attachment. So detachment from whom? Now Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji is going to take away everything from you. See, one thing is, tell whatever people want, please them, and keep them in this spiritual path. Keep going, keep going. Second way of telling is, this is the truth. Whether you like it or not, this is truth. So when Shankaracharya ji says sannyasa is the madhyam, means Shankaracharya ji knows that much, that a grahastha cannot give up his samsara. This is true, but that is so true. Are you getting it? See, samsara means actually anchors, and you are continuously accelerating. And this is Swamiji's example. Okay. And Janak Raja, these are good examples to tell. But in Vyavahara and nowadays, very difficult. Very, very difficult. But this is the solution. Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji wants, in this life, if you can't, don't worry. Keep going. But remember this is the solution. Now you will be frightening. This is some sannyasa Vasanji is talking. This is reality. I'm telling you, if you go to, and we also feel sometimes, if you see sannyasi Mahatma, very relaxed, no jhanjat behind. They do lot of work, but they enjoy that work. Our problem is very different problem. And our difficult case, difficult case, we don't enjoy what we do. And then frustration, then disappointment continues. And samsara means what, frankly speaking, samsara means whatever you don't like, that you will receive first. And this is God's grace. Now you have to have that eyes to see, oh, this very bad situation came in my life. This is God's punch. And this is to wake me up from the slumber of this ignorance. So Bhagwan Shankaracharya, many people, they say that time was very different. Shankaracharya ji, 7th, 8th century. Now it is totally different. Totally different means what? While doing everything, you will get this. It is not totally different. Siddhanta will never change. Okay. That is why it is said, Bahunam Janmanam Ante. And we have to keep going. That I can't take sannyas in this life, don't worry. That impressions are there in your mind now. And and every now and then you will be receiving experiences. Everything is futile. This is Gurudev's words, Swamiji's words. Once in a while, that inner voice will be coming. I'm doing this because I have taken that decision far away, way back. Fine, but that is why they say Anirvinna Chetasaha. Only one request Bhagavan Krishna gives to his disciple: tirelessly, effortlessly do this. Don't ask any reason. And many people make fuss of this, like Vedantin said, don't ask anything, don't ask, because this process is not 2 days, 3 days, 3 months, 3 years. Bhagavan only said Bahunam Janmanam. So my point was, clear picture is given here. He don't want to keep you in any ignorance. Yeah. Whether our Swamiji's words are, you take, you perceive this path, you pursue this path in this Janma, 2 Janma, 20 Janma, 200 Janma. This is the solution. If you don't believe, keep on trying other solution. Finally, you arrive here. And I have seen so closely, this is the solution. Okay, whatever we are doing is best, but we should know clear picture of Paramartha. That is why in the beginning he said, Virak samsarat viraktasya eva brahma jnane adhikara. But that is not, he is disappointing us, he is telling us you go. It is not like that. Okay, fact he is telling. Chalo. 3 things I have to give up. Now or next life or in any life. One day I have to do that. And some people say, why can't now? Means sannyasis are their mind. One day I have to give up. Why can't now? Because they read this line and they feel, I have seen this. Okay, only based upon Shankaracharya's words, the eyes, tears are coming. They will renounce this world. Only Shankaracharya's words. Okay, they are not, fed up of their life, and people are troubling all around. In our course, all bade bade log aate hain, and they renounce this. Means only based upon Shankaracharya's words. How much I will praise. Okay, putra vitta lokeshanadibhyah. And you should not feel bad. So they will say, no, 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 you can't. You can have putra, but detach from inner detachment to keep you, happy. Otherwise, oh, I am closing my laptop. 160, whichever rupees, I am closing this. I am doing good. I am doing well. This is very outdated. You try. Bhagwan Shankaracharya's request is, keep on trying thousands of solutions. One day you have to come here. Yes. So putra vitta lokeshana. Okay. So when you engage yourself in spirituality, all these things are taken care. Slowly, you will not know you are losing grip on them. Slowly, and in good way it will happen. That is why they say, you come, children also. Yeah, don't worry about people, what they say. You wear mala, you have tilakam. Yeah, sometimes you wear dhoti, sometimes you sit for puja. Don't. This is location of going down. Putra, yes, send him for Bal Vihar or any Pathshala, anywhere. Money, donate, do charity. This way it is loosened. Okay, weakened, slowly. These 3 are the main. It is from Brahadaranyaka Upanishad. These are all quotation. Vyuthaya means all these sannyasa topics Bhagwan Shankaracharya is explaining. Vyuthanam and beautiful topics. I request you, a side point, in our Rishikesh Kailash Ashram, every year February month, they do 18 days Ashtadasha. In your life, take some time and go there, and only that is the period where they allow you to reside in that ashram, live in that ashram. Grahastha, with full family they can live. I am telling you, whole day you will enjoy out also, and you will listen the lectures. First day, 2 day you will enjoy, then you will say, listen to Mahamandaleshwar. Okay. So the point was, there they tell you in 18 days one scripture, full one text, like full Bhagavad Gita they will do in 18 days. Whole Brihadaranyaka Upanishad they will do in 18 days. See, if you feel that this 15th chapter is too much, Then when will I cover that, this, that, Brihadaranyaka? Don't worry, all vyavasthas are there. You will only receive such messages that in Vrishikesh, this place is there. Nobody in this world will receive these messages. These are the personal calls. I am telling you, you take up that call, you will be excelling. Vasanji are totally pushing us. No, no, it is that portion is like that. So I told you how to study. 18 days, mind will be brush up. Okay, brainwash we say like that. Same happens there. You feel ashram life is the best life. Yeah. Yuthayatena asanga shastrena. 3 asanas I have to give up. Initially, go more. See, I told you once, you are standing in the middle of your house. If you go this side, this distance will be more. If you go this side, that side distance will be more. Same way, if you are in the middle, and here is the spirituality, here is the samsara. If you go here, you are going away from samsara. Slowly, slowly, you will not know. That is why they say keep on doing. Another thing, very important, Shankaracharya ji mentioning here. I have given up everything. Okay, what do you do now? It is said here, having given up everything, Paramatma Abhimukhya Nishchita Drudhikrutena. Many people, they will give up everything, start new project in different format. This happens. Yeah. But Paramatma Abhimukhya, you focus yourself totally on God, having given up everything. Because having given up everything, Maya will again enter in different form. More temptation. Spirituality is another wailing. More temptations are there in spirituality than samsara. Because in samsara, 4, 5, 10, 20 people will watch you. In spirituality, many people will watch you. This is true. So having given up everything, Paramatma Abhimukhya Nishcha Drudhikrutena. That Nishchay, you should be firm enough that okay, I will not worry for 1 hour now. Whatever is going on, I will not worry. This Nishchay Drudhikrutena, you see beautiful words. When again and again we tell you, do Vivek, then every time Vivek, every time I have Deha Bhavana, then what to do? Every time I am feeling that I am body. It is said here, Punaha Vivekabhyasa Ashmanishitena Chitva. Again and again, same words are copied from here Vidyaranya Swamiji. As many times you feel I am body, this world is real, do Viveka. No, every now and then I am feeling, every now and then you do. Maharaj ji use word jhatiti. Jhatiti means quickly. You feel I am body, quickly you say I am not body. Don't say right away I am Brahma. You say I am not body. Okay. So, where I was? हाँ. परमात्मा अभिमुख्य निश्चय दृढ़ीकृतेन पुनः पुनः हाँ विवेसा हाँ विवेकाभ्यासश्मनिशितेन छित्वा. Ashma means here patthar, stone. Vivekabhyasa ashma nishitena. Yeah. Chitva, you cut asunder samsara vruksham sabijam udhrutya. What a words. Don't remove branches, trunks. Sabijam, along with root, you uproot that. Because all things are deep rooted. Easily we will not accept Shastra. Easily we will not accept Guru. It is very clear. We will chant all shlokas. We will not accept that easily. Other things are deep rooted. That is why they say sleeping time, read this. Morning time, read this. Trikala pathet, read this 3 times. So, having done this, samsara vruksha sabijam udhrutya, having uprooted along with the roots, then what I have to do? ततः पदं तत्परिमार्गितव्यं यस्मिन् गता न निवर्तन्ति भूयः तमेव चाद्यं पुरुषं प्रपद्ये यतः प्रवृत्तिः प्रसृता पुराणी. Very nice. Then I have vairagya now. I want to know God also. So after vairagya, what I have to do? Bhagavan says, Tataha. Tataha means thereafter. Thereafter means when vairagya is dawned, thereafter you have to do parimargitavyam. Now you explore. Now you know more and more about God, more and more about karma, more and more about moksha, bandha. All these things you know now. You try to, you start seeking now all these things. I will do vigraha first. Tataha, you see difference. Tataha padam tat parimargitavyam yasmin gataha. Yasmin gata, visarga is not there, means visarga lopa was happened. And now when I am splitting it, visarga has come there. Na nivartanti bhuyah. Again, meaning we'll see later. Na nivartanti bhuyah. Tam eva. Tameva. Tameva means tam eva cha chadyam cha adyam purusham prapadde. Purusham prapadde. Yatah pravrittihi prasruta purani. Simple vigraha, only tameva chadyam and yes, tameva and chadyam is the only place where sandhi has happened. Anvaya, okay, nothing new, means not more sandhis, only tameva chadyam cha adyam. Okay. Ha. Tatah, thereafter. Okay, tatah yasmin gataha भूयः न निवर्तन्ते. निवर्तन्ति लिखा है. हाँ, निवर्तन्ति. हाँ, यस्मिन् गताः पुनः भूयः न निवर्तन्ति. Yasmin means in which when you go there you don't come back. Thereafter, if you know that, having known, there is not coming back. Yasmin gataha, gataha means gone. Here gataha means gone. Bhuyah na nivartanti tat padam parimargitavyam. Preciseness you see. Vairagya, many people have vairagya, not inclination towards Paramatma. It is said here, you try to explore, you try to seek that Paramatma. Which Paramatma? That having known, you will not come back. Means having known that Paramatma, you will not have rebirth. Such place, about such thing you start seeking. Means you know yourself to be unborn. Na jayate mriyate va kadachit. You know in this way. Okay, parimargitavyam. How is that Paramatma? Yatah cha, and means two things are given about that Paramatma. Which Paramatma I have to seek? That Paramatma, having known him, I will not come back. Rebirth will be, end. I will put an end to my rebirth or birth. And that Paramatma I have to seek. Yatah purani pravrittihi prasrutaha. From time immemorial, from him, this samsara again and again is coming. That Paramatma you know. Means Karana you know. Karana means what? From which everything emerges. And another definition of Karana is where everything merges. So you see, Yatah punaha na nivartanti. And from where? Yatah pravritti prasruti. Pravritti prasruta. So Karanam you know, Bhagavan is telling. Karanam of everything you know. But how to seek that God? is a question. Tam, this is in double inverted comma. Tameva chadyam purusham prapadde. Like I am surrendering to you. In this way you seek Paramatma. Means prayer is the way Bhagwan is telling here. Okay, I seek refuge in that Purusham. Adyam Purusham. We will see in Bhashya, but this is the meaning. Two indicators are given, what I have to seek and how to seek that Paramatma. Surrender, Sharanagati is explained here. Let us explore in our Bhashya. Beautiful. Yeah. Tatah, meaning is given simplified. Tatah paschat. Tatah means afterwards. Padam. Padam, you see meaning? Vaishnavam. Okay, that Paramatma, Vishnu Bhagavan. That is the Padam. Tat Parimargitavyam. I did not understand what is Parimargitavyam. Parimarganam, Anveshanam. You explore it. Anveshanam means what? Go on pondering upon it. Go on seeking it actually. Parimarganam, Anveshanam. Still I didn't understand. Jnatavyam. You go on seeking that Paramatma means you try to know that Paramatma. Yes. Which Paramatma? Yasmin means in that Pade, in that Paramatma. Pada means already it is said Vaishnava. So in that Vaishnava, Gataha, Pravishtaha. Here Gata means not gone. So Pravishtaha, only way of telling, okay? Not like that one flame is going, it is becoming one with God, where big flame is there, source. You know, nobody can find out that source. It is not like Gurudev will how, what can I say? Gurudev सबको उड़ा डालेंगे. All concepts, logically he will just fire all concepts. Pravishtaha न निवर्तन्ति न avartanti. Nivartanti different way. Avartante means repetitions will be not there. Bhuyah means punah, where samsaraya. For this samsara, if you know Paramatma, you will not come back. How to know this Paramatma? Katham parimargitavyam iti aha. Now Bhagavan is telling katham means how, parimargitavyam, how to know this Paramatma, how to seek this Paramatma, iti aha. Aha means Bhagavan is telling. Bru dhatu becomes aha. Tam evacha. This is from shloka. Yah pada shabdena uktah. Tatah padam. That which is indicated by pada word, that Paramatma I have to seek. Katham parimargitavyam, that Paramatma which is explained by pada shabda. Tatah padam tat parimargitavyam. That Paramatma I have to seek. How is this Paramatma? Adyam. Adau bhavam. He was the first and foremost. After him, everything came. Okay. Adau bhavam. I did not understand. Purusham. Purishu shete. That one which is residing in this body. Try to seek that. If you don't know what came in first and who was the first, if you don't understand, Purusham. And prapadde means, Bhagavan is explaining, prapadde iti evam parimargitavyam. Iti means in this way, thus, evam parimargitavyam. This way you have to do, you have to know this Paramatma in this way. Which way? Ado bhavam, that which came first in this creation, that which is residing in this body. I have to seek that Paramatma. I did not understand. Tat charanataya. Tat sharanataya ityartha. I have to surrender to him. And this surrenderness is the way of prayer, is the way to know this God. Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji and prayer. Yeah. So these prayers are at different level. Okay. Sharanagati prakaras are there. I will explain that. ओके, शरणागति प्रकार तस्यैवाहं ममैवासौ सैवायम इति त्रिधा शरणागतिः. This is not from Vedanta. This is from Madhvacharya or Vallabh. Madhvacharya. Different darshan. Okay, Vishishtadvaiti. They have given this. 3 types of Sharanagati I have to have. Yeah. Prapadde means I surrender myself. How to seek this God? By surrendering to that God, which was Adav Bhavam. He was the first. So you surrender to that. You seek that by surrendering. So how to surrender? Tasya eva aham. First thing. Asau mama eva. Tasya eva aham means I am his. Okay, I belong to him or I am his. This way you surrender. Okay. Sad, more elaboration is there. This is not the point where I should elaborate, but just first time glimpse of this. Sadhaka dasha. When you are a sadhaka, literally you are struggling. First is there to fight with you is prarabdha. You are literally struggling. You say, I am yours, Bhagavan. Tasya eva aham. That will give you strength to stand in that storm. Okay, as you go ahead, sadhaka dasha, you cross it, then you go to abhyasa dasha. When now you are, whatever you have learned, you are practicing it more. You are making it very clear. Ideas you can say, whatever japa you are doing, you are making it very firm. Like as you see it, you start dwelling in that. You start, people say, going in trance and all, because you have practiced it. Now you have gone through all sadhanas, sadhaka dasha. Now you are practicing it. One is sadhaka dasha, like we had 2 years Vedanta course. That was sadhaka dasha. We learned there. Now what? Abhyasa dasha. Whole life you study. Swamiji says 20 years you study. Then open your mouth, I am Brahman. Swamiji's words. 20-year continuous study, and then only you say, I am Brahman. People are overexcited to start telling this to all. Overexcited to shout, to proclaim, we are Brahman. We. Chalega. See, in this world is actually anitya, mithya. So mithya things will prevail everywhere. Mithya things will prevail everywhere. My father gives an example. My father had earlier that milk, occupation, and his brother used to give milk. And one day, my uncle went to village, and my father was looking after that. So he thought my father is actually a different kind of person. You can know from me. He said, now onwards, I will give pure milk for 3-4 days. He said, yeah, this is a good thing. I should do this. And my uncle was little bit different thinking. Then father started giving milk. And after 3-4 days, people actually complained that earlier milk was good. And now you're actually, have you changed the source from where you're getting this milk? Then my father understood this is a bitter experience of life. Then he said, इनको वही चाहिए. Okay, everywhere mithya things will prevail. Luckiest people, they will get these kind of things. Okay, sadhaka dasha, then they will go to abhyasa dasha. Then asau, he is mine. Now abhyasa dasha. And when you do abhyasa for many years, Vasanja, this is out of our caliber. It is out of our territory. Listen it. Keep these words in mind. Every now and then this word will be true for you, for all. Okay. And then sa eva ayam, paripakva dasha. Then in that sharanagati is I and me, they are not different. Like Ganga is going into ocean. They are not different now. These are the Sharanagatis. In Bhakti Siddhanta also different Sharanagatis are there. Tadiyata, Twadiyata, Madiyata, Tanmayata. Fascinating topics. Okay, it will gradually lead you. Like if you say Putra, Vitta, Lokeshana, give up, nothing. First you say, you are mine, I am yours, and we are one. That one sentence, think upon it, will give you power. In daily life also, not that only for I am Brahma this will work, daily life also. And actually सब भगवान का ही है और सब भगवान ही कर रहे हैं. This bhava you will be little bit relaxed. Tadiyata means I belong to him. I have not seen Paramatma, but my words are I belong to him. Rukmini Mata is the best example. He did not see Lord Krishna. He just she just heard about Lord Krishna and she fell in love with Lord Krishna. I want to marry with Lord Krishna only, not with anybody. She decided. She sent a love letter also. She did not see God, Lord Krishna, but she said, Tadiyata, I belong to him only. Paroksha Jnana. Twadiyata, where Bhagwan is standing in front of you. I am yours, Bhagwan. This is Sharanagati. Okay. That is why Guruji also sings bhajan. Sri Krishna Sharanam Mama. I am surrendering. Oh my Lord Krishna, I am surrendering. Madiyata, you are mine. When I say, oh Bhagwan, you are mine, Sarva Sambandha Tyaga has happened. If you see all Santa Mahatma's life, they said, Tvameva Mata cha Pita cha, you are my everything. When you say Madiyata, you are mine, all relations are you have actually surpassed. All you have given up. And Tanmayata. At the end, Eka Rupata. There is no Bheda between me and you. Many people don't like this. Okay. Dvaita Darshana, we don't need speakers and Shastra to tell that I am different, Paramatma is different, he is whole, I am part. This is without everything is understood. This philosophy is required to actually have result right away. Okay, we don't deny bhakti. This is very clear. You are mine, Tadiyata and Tanmayata. Okay. See how much, I don't think 8 classes are enough for this. Pavitramma, I don't know. Chalo. Kaha asav purushaha iti uchyate. How is this purusha which I have to seek refuge, I have to surrender himself, whether it is sadhaka dasha or paripakwa avastha, fully ripened one, I have to, which purusha? Yasmat, from him, purushat, yasmat purushat, samsara, leave this word, you will not like it, you may like it. Samsara, pravrittihi prasrutaha, nisrutaha, aindrajalikadi iva maya. Samsara Vruksha, Bhagavan is telling it is Maya only. A magic. This is our stand, which is ultimate stand. Thereafter, sorrow will not touch you. Till that point, it will persecute you. These are बहुत बड़े अवस्था. These are avasthas, okay, where you understand Maya, some Swapna. It is Swapna only. In dream, I am telling class. In dream, I am listening. Everything is Swapna. I feel this is the ultimate knowledge. Okay, where our Rishi Muni, they were there in this kind of thing. 9,854. Nisrutaha. Nisruta means from that Purusha, this whole world started. And I told you, Vivarta Upadana Karanam. Without going under any modification, this world came into being. How this is possible? ऐन्द्रजाला ऐन्द्रजालिकादि इव. इव means as, like this. इव इसके जैसा. How? ऐन्द्रजाला जालिकादि, like it is a magic. Magicians, they are great magicians. I love to see magic. Purani, Chirantani, it is very ancient. Nobody can trace the starting of this world also. Yataha pravrittihi prasruta Purani. Okay, way back this was going on. Katham bhutaha tatpad. This is introduction to next sloka. Katham bhutaha tatpadam gachanti. How means who will be qualified person or who will go to this state. You told that you seek that God and you will go there and you will not come back. Who will reach that abode? Who will know himself as Paramatma? Big list. Big list. We need all credentials. Like when we go to a normal job, lakh rupees, 2 lakh rupees, all things are required. Like how much experience, certifications, on which domain you work, all things are required. What project have you been done? All things. So we are going to meet Paramatma. Of course, at least few things are required. Nirmana moha jita sanga dosha adhyatma nitya vinivritta kamaha द्वन्द्वैर्विमुक्ता सुख दुःख संज्ञैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदमव्ययं तत्. Beautiful. One lakshanam will take days. Vigraha nirmana mohaha, visarga lopa has happened. Jita sanga doshaha adhyatma nityaha, these are the name of person. What is your name? Nirmana mohaha. If your mana, thirst for respect, recognition has gone, you can say my name is Nirmana Moha. If only respect part has gone, honor, dishonor, I don't mind, you can say my name is Nirmana. If moha also has gone, Nirmana Moha. Okay, Nirmana Moha, then Krishna will come. Yes, come here. You will go to that place. You are qualified for my teaching. Okay. Vinivritta kamaha dvandvair vimuktaha, meaning we'll see sukha dukkha saujnyaihi. Sukha dukkha yes, I'm reading below. Vinivritta kamaha dvandvair vimukta became dvandvaihi vimuktaha. Sukha dukkha saujnyaihi gachanti amudhaha padam avyayam tat. Padam avyayam became padam avyayam. Now Anvaya, quickly I have to do this. Okay, at least 4 we have to finish. Nirmana mohaha jita sanga doshaha adhyatma nityaha vinivritta kamaha sukha dukkha saujnyaihi dvandvaihi vimuktaha amudaha. These are the names. To get this title, because these are not corporate level titles. To get those titles, very difficult. TL, CEO, these titles must be difficult, but not impossible. Tat padam, tad avyayam padam gachanti. They will go to that avyayam, indestructible place, abode. Okay, they will know themselves as indestructible. Nothing will happen to me. Nothing can happen to me. Nothing has happened to me. Yeah. Okay, chalo, faster. Nirmana moha. Simple, it is simple. That is why I am taking. Manaha mohascha mana mohau. Mana and moha becomes mana mohau. Tau nirgatau. Ebhyah, from whom mana and moha has gone away. te te nirmana mohaha. All these are nirmana mohaha, means from whom mana and moha has gone away, they are nirmana moha. Ma, I did not understand. Mana moha varjita. Varjita, any language is known. Varjita means you have to give up that. Jita sanga doshaha. Sanga eva doshaha. What a beautiful words. What are defects in me? Attachment is defect. This is main defect. After this attachment, all will lined up. Sanga eva doshaha. Sanga doshaha. Jitaha. The one who has conquered. Sanga doshaha. He is qualified. Yaihi. Here also anvaya we have to do. Yaihi sanga doshaha jitah. Those who have conquered sanga dosha, attachment. Putra vitta lokeshana. Te jita sanga doshaha. These are qualified people to go to that. Like we say I have to go to America. So passport, visa, money, ticket, everything is there. Then you can go to America. One thing is missing, next flight, or you bring all your credentials and all your things, next flight. This is easy, so I am running. Okay. Adhyatma nityaha, Paramatma swarupa alochana nityaha. All the time I am in Paramartha. So this is hardly possible. So Bhagavan says Tatparaha. You see, one word will change the meaning. Tatparaha means whenever Bhagwan's call come to me, Bhashya, I am there. Parayanam, I am there. Puja, yes, I am there. Havan, I am there. This is called Adhyatma Nityaha. Not that 24/7 you will be in Paramartha, but Tatpara. Whenever, क्या बोलते हैं, बुलावा, whenever call comes from the spiritual people, you are ready. That is called Adhyatma Nityaha. विनिवृत्त कामः विशेषतः निर्लेपन निवृत्ताः कामाः एषां ते विनिवृत्त कामाः. And whatever we don't like, Bhagwan is putting yatayah. I don't understand yati word. Sanyasinah. Minimum qualification to begin with Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji is, I can't say now. Okay. Just 2 minutes. Okay. All desires. When all desires will go? So Vinivritta Kamaha means binding desires. This is always a positive approach is given to all of us. Immediate in the beginning, you say give up all desires. You will say I will give up you. Whichever guru says you give up all desires, you will say I will give up you. So binding desires, troubling desires, problematic desires. Yes, I know this will give me problem. Keep aside. It is very difficult. Try to keep it aside. It is very, very difficult. You have to work upon qualification then. See, I am also with you, but I have heard this. I have kept in mind. Again, I am telling this to me also and to you also. You also keep. You also think. They will come. Bhagwan Shankaracharya ji will not leave you like this because you have entered, you have touched his words now. You see, he will not leave you, even though if you want, this is enough now. He will not leave. He will not leave you. Dvandvaihi priya priyadibihi. This is so good. This is so bad. It irritates me. Nothing like this. Yes, come here. You will go to this flight. Flight to Brahman. Swamiji's way of telling us. Flight to Brahman. Come on. Vimuktaha sukha dukkha saujnaihi. Parityaktaha sukha dukkha saujnaihi. Sukha dukkha. Nothing is there. Gachantya mudhaha. Mudha means moha varjitaha. Nothing is deluding them. They know the things as is. Padam avyayam tad yathoktam. Tad yathoktam padam avyayam gachanti. They go to that place. Yes. And about that, Tell me more now. I'm not qualified, but I'm loving to hear about that. What is that place? How is that place? Next Monday. Small story, small story. In one ashram, one boy was studying. He completed his study, and he asked Guru, shall I go now? He said, okay, you go now. If you are asking go, you go now. In our ashram, unless Guruji or Swamiji tells you go, nobody goes. Okay. Then that person, that student, he went out. And as he comes out of that ashram, ऊपर से like somebody throw uh, garbage on him. He shouted, who is that person? Don't you understand? I'm going out. You should see first who is going down. Then only you can throw. Guru called him. Chalo, अंदर आ जाओ. Don't go now. Second time, he's going. Then again some water, somebody threw water on him. Again he shouted, don't you know? Is it a good thing to throw water on me? Guru said, come back, sit here. Again repeat the thing. Third time, he was done, okay? He was going out, and from the shed, somebody threw cow dung. He said, as that cow dung fell on him, he said, Wah Prabhu, Teri Raza. Like it is your blessing that I got this prasad as I went out from this ashram. Guru say, now you go now. Nirmana, nirmoha. No man, no moha. Adhyatma nityaha. Gobar fell on him, cow dung. He say, oh, Teri Raza. Vinivritta kamaha. Now I don't want to anything. I'm just going now. Adhyatma nityaha. Tatparaha. Everywhere. These are the qualifications. One by one, we can think upon it. See, one janma will go in listening only. It is not a loss. Okay? I'm not demotivating you. Facts. Okay? Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.